Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then click on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this gear right next to your paired device and hit Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!